we can now get started from here. Starts the speaking test. This is basically mock test of the International English Language Testing System taking place in Zabardast Educational Academy. The candidate name is Muhammad Usman. Good morning, Muhammad Usman. My name is Asif Mujtaba. Would you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Usman.
What can I call you?
You can call me by Usman.
Muhammad Usman. Okay. Can I see your identity, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Here you are. We can now get started with the first part of the test. In the first part, I will ask you some personal question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Well, do you use computer?
Yes, I use computer for various purposes, including study, work, and personal activities. In fact, I spend a significant amount of time on my laptop, whether it's browsing the internet or checking the emails.
Okay. Did you use your computer when you were little?
Yes, I use computer when I was at a young age, around 10 to 12 years old, because my parents encouraged me to learn some basic computer skills, and I also play games at that time. When I grew up, I started exploring the internet and using software applications.
Okay. Do people often use computers these days?
Yes, computer have become an essential part of daily life, and most people use it for various purposes. And as a rise in technology and digitalization, computer have become an essential tool for communication, education, and work.
Okay, let's talk about celebrities. Who is your favorite celebrity?
My favorite celebrity is Lionel Messi, a legendary Argentine footballer. He is not a great athlete, but a humble and inspiring individual. His exceptional skills, his ability to create a magic on the field, and his passion for the game is truly inspiring. And I admire his sportsmanship, leadership qualities, and commitment to his team.
Okay. Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
No, I don't think so. While I admire Bollywood actor and the impact they have, but I value my privacy, and I prefer to focus on my goals and aspirations.
Okay. Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy?
Yes, I strongly believe that celebrities also deserve some level of respect, as they are human beings too, and they are same like as us, and they also have a right to their boundaries and space, and the media and the public should respect their privacy and not to intrude in their personal life excessively.
Okay. How do celebrities influence their fans in your country?
Celebrities influence and inspire their fans through their work and presence through social media. In my country, celebrities promote positive values and trends, and furthermore, celebrities also raise a voice about any public issue.
Okay, this is the end of the section. Now we can move on to the second part of the test. In the second part, I'm going to give you a cue card with a topic, and you should talk about it for 3 to 4 minutes. Before you talking, you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You understand me?
Yes.
The topic is describe a present you give to someone. Here is your pen and paper. You can write down what you're going to say. Yes.
I did like to talk about a gift I gave to my cousin Joan. It was a stylish and a functional watch I presented to him on his birthday. I gave it to Joan because he's a dear cousin and a great companion. We have grown up together and shares some personal memories, and I want to appreciate to him for his presence in my life. I chose this present because Joan has always been interested in watches and fashion. As he is young now, and I thought a watch would be a best suitable gift to help him organized. And I selected a watch with a beautiful design and features, and I selected a watch with a good design and features, and knowing that he would appreciate it. And when I gave it to Joel, he was so delighted and surprised, and he loved the watch design and the features. And we have spent hours talking about our favorite memories together. And he always wears that watch, and it's become a symbol of our close bond. Although it was a meaningful gift because it represented my love and appreciation for Joan as a friend, as a cousin, and it showed him that I respect his that I care, that how I care and trust, and I am always happy to help him.
Okay. Now we can move on to the third part of the test. In the second part, we are going to ask present. So I want to ask you some question related to this topic. Do you understand my words?
Yes.
It is important to celebrate events, family events.
Yes, I strongly believe that it is that celebrating family events is crucial. It strengthens family bonds, creating lasting memories, and provide an opportunity to connect with our loved ones. Events like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays bring everyone close together, and that's it.
Any old traditions related to a particular times of year in your country disappearing?
Yes, some old traditions are fading due to the modernization and urbanization. Many young individuals are moving away from the rural areas, and they are disconnecting with the traditional practices. But efforts are being made to preserve the cultural heritage and traditional values.
Okay, why you give them a present to your cousin?
I give them a present to my cousin, as he's my dear cousin and
एक सवाल ही चेंज कर दिया आपके लिए बात गए ओके वैसे ही फिर भी यही पूछता हूँ What are the main reasons why people organize family parties in your country?
In my country, people mostly organize family parties to unite, to share experiences, and to create traditions. And traditions. It's also a way to show love, respect, and gratitude toward family members.
Okay. What local festivals in your area do you think would be most interesting for a foreign visitors?
I think that a local festival would be more fascinating for the foreign visitors, and it showcases our unique cultural music and traditions. The festival features traditional food, music, and art, and the visitor can engage with the community and take part in our celebration.
Okay, this is the end of the test. Thank you very much, Usman. Thank you.